Recently, I got this comment saying I sounded like the teacher from Murder Drones, so I thought why not voice over some of his lines, because that is a really easy video to make.
Yet? It doesn't work yet! Who said it doesn't work? Maybe it does!
Uzi, the homework was a word problem about buying watermelons.
Oh, and this magnetically amplified photon converger doesn't count?
No. Plus, repressed emotional baggage was only worth 2 points on the rubric. And is it supposed to be that color? Personally, I don't hear it, but what do you think?